Ayun. Hello guys. So welcome sa Gabay. So how to use Gabay? If you, pero kung wala pa kayong access, the access is in the description below or nasa gilid or basta nasa description ng video na to. Ayan. So first is what is Gabay? So Gabay is a predictive tool that uses neural networks para mag-predict. So neural networks is yung nasa utak natin, di ba? So neural networks is the foundation of artificial intelligence, eh, 'di ba? So ayun. So what it does is it studies 3 million candles in the past since 2019, ay since 2009, and it consolidates all the patterns na pwedeng mangyari, 'di ba? So basically it predicts the next pattern. So kung titignan natin yung picture na ito, ito yung nangyari na. Now, the yellow part right here is the prediction. So, kung mapapansin nyo, it's just a line, di ba? Because Gabay B2 is just predicting the MA10, the moving average 10, because it's easier and mas okay siya i-predict kesa yung mismong candle movement, di ba? Because we only need a parang summarized version naman ng predictions. We don't need the actual So it can help you na to make decisions. Like this one, ang predict niya dito is there's a sell signal, kaso the predictions is going up pa rin. So meaning the sell signal is most likely to end up uh, ranging only. So it's not a good trade to take, eh, 'di ba? So just like this one, 'di ba? Ayan. Ito is ganun din. There's a buy signal. So ito na yung nangyari doon. Kaso, ang predictions ng MA10, it will just range, eh, 'di ba? So it's not a good trade to take, eh, 'di ba? So yun yung parang inaano niya. And pero kung titingnan natin 'to, kung itong sell signal naman na 'to, it's going down. So probably there's a chance that this will reach more than 1:1. So, depende sa iyong trading principles or depende sa iyong trading style, you can take this trade, eh, 'di ba? So, ang job lang talaga ni Gabay is to propose to you kung ano ba yung tingin niyang mangyayari after the signal, 'di ba? So, by the way, ang ginagamit nating signals is the super trend super trend sa gold. So we are just predicting gold right now, yun pa lang ang available. Pero to use it properly, so just put a super trend ito sa inyong chart, then change the settings right here to 7 and 3, 'di ba? Naka 3 na siyang default. Ayan, so magbabago siya. So ngayon, basically kasi after the signal, 'di ba? After the signal, ang gagawin ni Gabay is it will predict this part, the next 2.5 hours of this part. Okay? So kung papansinin natin yung huling signal was the where is that? Kung papansinin natin yung signal is a sell signal right here, is a sell signal. Then kung papansinin ulit natin yung kung papansinin natin yung nangyari, it's a sell signal right here. And as you can see, it went down, 'di ba? So, kung papansinin niyo yung huling predictions is bumaba, hindi niyo pala kita, wait lang, ayan. So, bumaba siya, ito 'yan, bumaba. Tapos nagbabalik na, 'di ba? It will just range. And look what happened here. So, bumaba siya, but it went back up, 'di ba? So basically, it will give you a good idea kung ano ba talaga ang mangyayari, 'di ba? Kung ano ba talaga yung parang pwedeng mangyari. And the selections ng patterns na pwedeng mangyari is based doon sa pag-aaral niya from that 3 million candles sa 5 minutes. Bale 5 minutes pala to, 'di ba? The time frame we are using is 5 minutes, 'di ba? So, ayun lang naman basically ang gabay. So, every time that there's a signal may oras din kasi. Kunwari, every time lang na may signal, ang gagawin lang niya is it will predict again. 'Di ba? It will predict kung ano ba yung nangyari, 'di ba? Just like this one, ito, kung titignan natin yung predictions niya dito, is ito 'yan. So, ito yung tingin niya mangyayari, 'di ba? It will just go down and it will go up. And kung titignan natin kung ano nangyari, it will go down a little, then it went up. 'Di ba? Ayun. So, na-miss niya lang tong trade na to because this happened kalagitnaan na madaling araw, and madaling araw kasi is nagre-retrain siya because yeah, of course it's a it's a tawag dito? It's a neural network, so it needs to be retrained every night, 'di ba? Yun naman yung kaibahan niya with the normal EAs, 'di ba? Normal just traditional robots. This AI learns. Yun lang naman yung doon. Okay? Para gumanda yung mga recommendations na sa inyo. Of course, this will never be a 100% guarantee that yung predict niya will happen, pero it's a good guide para at least mas ma-clear sa utak nyo kung ano ba talaga yung mga decisions, di ba? Let's say that you got this one. Di ba? So, ibig sabihin, there's a good chance that bababa siya. Pero, kung papansinin mo kasi, for the next 2.5 hours, medyo aangat siya ng konti. So ngayon, ikaw as the trader, ano bang magandang gawin diyan? Should we go in the trade? 'Di ba? Yun yung most likely may momentum na konti, 'di ba? Kasi nangyari to Lunes So hanapin natin 'yan. Ito ata 'yan. Ayan Ito 'yan Ay, yeah, ito pala. Ito. So kung papansinin mo, ito yung trade na 'yon. Tama ba? Ayun nga, ito nga yung trade na 'yon. Yan, ito. So, ang nangyari is, bumaba naman siya, pero nag-quit siya. Pero kung kinuha mo yung trade na ito, as suggested by Gabay, you may get a good 1:1 o 1:2, di ba? Pero, it's not, depende sa trading na anuhin mo. So, 1:5, 1:3, di ba? Pero hindi pa naman siya nag-SL. So, kung medyo in-extend natin, it will go down. Kung in-extend pala natin, it will reach pa ng mas mataas, di ba? Depende na sa rules mo 'yon, 'di ba? 'Yun yung doon. Pero I suggest of course na medyo maging ka na. Ayan. Ayan, 'di ba? Okay din. Kasi hindi mo naiisipin masyado. All you have to do is to decide. And that's what traders should do Just decide on the signal. If ano ba 'yon? If tingin niya is magiging profitable ba 'yon or not, 'di ba? So ayun lang yung parang doon. Okay? Now, the red line right here, dun sa mga predictions, is the suggested stop loss. Pero, itong SL na to is katapat lang din niya nung SL, yung super trend position. 'Di ba? So, kung let's say na ito yung super trend, yung farthest super trend niya before the signal, yun din yung katapat nun, 'di ba? Ayan. Okay? So, you may use it, or some use some uses other techniques, pero ang pinaka magandang gamit niya is to look for just a strong confluence. Para kasing kasi separate na utak na tong gumagana dito Meron siyang mga nakitang patterns that most likely will happen, 'di ba? So parang magandang na siya, parang opinion na niya nung opinion na nung gabay ito So parang another trader, 'di ba? It's your body, that's why it's called gabay. 'Di ba? So, ayun lang naman. So, ayun. So, if you have any questions, just chat doon sa doon sa ating Discord. And kung wala ka pa sa Discord natin and wala ka pang Gabay access, you can join the Discord via our chat doon via our link doon sa ating profile, no? Ayun lang naman. Thank you.